Good morning, all of you. 77th Happy Independence Day to you all. Bolo Bharat Mata ki. Very good. So, Honorable Chief Guest, today's Chief Guest, Sri B. Shivananda Prasad Garu, Advocate General, High Court of Telangana, Constitutional Authority. Thanks for gracing the occasion, sir. Within a short time, he accepted our invitation and he graced the occasion. I am very much thankful to you, sir, on behalf of the entire Prosecution Department of Telangana. A small brief with regard to the department, sir. The Department of Prosecution was established in the year 1986 pursuant to the recommendation of Law Commission, vide GOMS number 323. The service conditions of the Directorate are being regulated through the special rules which came into force vide GOMS number 188 of 1992. On 2nd June 2014, the state of Telangana emerged as a new state as per the AP Reorganization Act 2014. Consequently, the Department of Prosecution Telangana started functioning under the administrative control of the Principal Secretary, Home Department. Since the year 2021, the Department of Prosecution Telangana started celebrating national festivals such as Republic Day, January 26th, and Independence Day on 15th August for the purpose of remembering our national leaders and also to give awards and rewards to prosecuting officers who worked hard and secured good results in conducting the prosecution in all cases, sensational cases, irrespective of the dynamism, irrespective of its cadre. In all cases, all the prosecutors are doing well. So I congratulate from this dais every one of you for your hard work and sincerity and honesty and bringing laurels to the department. It is you people who are doing all this. We have secured lot of convictions in very sensational cases and even in small cases also. That is your hard work, your commitment that is bringing laurels to the department. Once again, I am proud to say this. The Department of Prosecution Telangana has started many innovative programs such as 4th Saturday orientation lectures to prosecuting officers and police officers and distribution of mobile phones to prosecuting officers, providing software relating to law, etc. Among the other programs, the Department of Prosecution Telangana has newly introduced first Saturday review meetings by the prosecuting officers with their jurisdictional police officers and revived the review meetings on third Saturday, which paved the way to get good results in terms of improvement of conviction rate and also improvement of liaison with other agencies of criminal justice and administration, with police in particular. This year, 2023, is significantly very important in the history of prosecution department and to be remembered in future. The government of Telangana was pleased to amend the special rules vide GOMS number 16 dated 21/3/2023, whereby the post of senior APP has been downgraded to that of APP, and this has created opportunity to get speedy promotions to the eligible officers directly from the post of APP to the post of Additional Public Prosecutor Grade 2. Congratulations all the APPs, and this is the occasion to feel happy all the prosecutors who will be promoted from the APP to Additional PP Grade 2, and the cadre PPs have to strengthen for themselves, enrich their knowledge because they are going to sessions. This happiness also should be there when you are conducting prosecution in sessions courts. So all the best to all APPs. A new line from the poem of Lord Tennyson, the brook comes to my mind that where the men may come and men may go, but the brook, the last tapestry of nature, goes on forever. So I'll go on forever, men may come and men may go. I'll go on forever, striking the point whatever is required for the benefit of the department and the state of Telangana thereby. It is to say that whether one may be acknowledged or not for their deeds for the benefit of the society. The job should go on uninterrupted. And you people also have to learn the same. So once you think anything is right in your discharge of duties, go on without observing anybody, whether you are receiving laurels or acknowledgement, whatever, or you may be sometimes you may come adversity to the society also, but even then, if you think anything is right, go on striking that and give strength to the department. Okay? I quote the famous slogan of Swami Vivekananda, whom I adore like anything, as all of you know: arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. This should be the slogan of every person. Arise, awake. Always be agile, active, and show commitment. Activeness should be there, and enrich your knowledge and commitment. Show your commitment and dedication to the department and your job also, and thereby strengthen the department and state of Telangana and the country thereby. We, the public servants, should always work with that spirit and dedication till goals are achieved, are accomplished for the benefit of the state. Under an exemplary conduct of good governance of the state government of our Honorable Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers, the infant state of Telangana is already taking paradigm changes. This is good, definitely good for the success of the government to follow and take it from there to strive and bring a crimeless society in the state of Telangana. You can presently see as to how the police in the state are independently working and safeguarding the interest of the common man. We, members of this directorate, are a small pearl in the big chain, in the garland around the neck of Telangana Talli. And on this occasion, I want to present you the data of convictions within the 6 months from January 2023 to June till August 23. Death penalties we don't have, but life imprisonments we have 47. 47 life imprisonments. You have to clap for that for yourself. Within 6 months, that too. This is your achievement. Because of you only we got this data and we got this reputation to the department. Above 5 years and up to 10 years, we got 22 within 6 months. Again, I am reminding you. And up to 5 years, we have 114. Very good achievement apart from what I am doing for the department, and you are my backbone, you are giving strength to me. This is the result of my hard work. See, it's not a joke. Within 6 months, we got 114 convictions which were imposed up to 5 years, and below 1 year, 43. So total we have got 226 convictions in this year, in half year, and your commitment is marvelous. I appreciate one and all, every prosecutor, right from APP to PP and Joint Director cadre. So every one of you, you are putting lot of efforts, and you are doing a lot to the department, and you are the backbone to even to the investigating officers and agencies. You are showing lot of interest, and so many investigating officers also requesting for your services, especially on sensational cases. All the prosecutors on this occasion congratulate you, and congratulations one and all for securing so many convictions in this year. This credit goes to Law and Order Department and in turn to the state of Telangana. So your services are being recognized today by the Honorable Chief Guest today. He will give away rewards and awards to you on this occasion. And keeping this in mind, let us all rededicate ourselves for strengthening the hands of the state government, its endeavor to maintain peace. I want to share on this occasion one small. I came to know yesterday, I have gone through this a small passage, really which shook my heart, and I felt very, very happy on reading this. So on this occasion, I want to share with you people on the occasion of Independence Day. Truly independent means, listen carefully, truly independent means first know your country's heritage and culture. Let us not forget about the culture and heritage of this country. Very great culture and heritage we have in this country. Unfortunately, we are forgetting everything and embracing the other countries' heritage and culture. See the scenic beauty of Kashmir before you visit Switzerland. See the marvelous architecture of Konark Temple, Tanjavur, Vijayanagar, Nalanda before you visit Rome. See the beauty of Taj Mahal before you visit Eiffel Tower. See the golden deserts of Jaisalmer before you visit Egypt. See the dense forests of Arunachal Pradesh before you visit Finland. See the mesmerizing green water of Uttarakhand before you visit Greece. See the peaceful nature's bounty of Kerala before you visit New Zealand. See the statue of Sardar Patel in Gujarat before you visit Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Ask yourself, how much money have you spent on foreign trips? Don't just I am an Indian. Practice to be one in your deeds. I am proud to be an Indian. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Honorable Madam, for your precious motivational words and creative vision. The message was loyal and it clear, which went into everyone's heart. Definitely, we all implement the same, its letter and spirit, Honorable Madam. Thank you so much again for speaking and presenting the annual report. Now, before I inviting today's chief guest to address gathering, may I permitted to read out the profile of today's chief guest. Sri Banda Shivananda Prasad, Advocate General for the State of Telangana, was born to Sri B. Sri Hari and late Srimati Ishwarama on 31st July 1963, and native of Jangam district, and upon completion of his degree in law, enrolled as an advocate in the year 1987. Immediately after enrolled, joined in the office of Sri Trivikram Rao Garu, a renowned advocate for Twin Cities, and after 4 years became independent and started practicing in the High Court, Civil Courts, Criminal Courts, Revenue Courts, Consumer Fora, Debts Recovery Tribunals, and was a legal advisor for the more than 26 years for nationalized banks and financial institutions, and has been active practice for the last 35 years as a lawyer, and 2014 the appointed as the government pleader for the state of Telangana in the High Court of Telangana. I, on 10th August 2018, appointed as an Advocate General for the state of Telangana. With this, I request, it's my delighted and pleasure to invite today's chief guest of this occasion to interact the gathering. I request the learned Advocate General to speak few words to the gathering.
The guilt are punished, though in accordance with law, where the role of prosecutor is very, very important. And unless right from a charge sheet being brought to the public prosecutor, from that stage, the prosecutor involves in the matter of a proper charge sheet being laid, a proper ensuring that a proper investigation has been conducted by the investigating officer. The securing the conviction may not be possible in all the cases. Friends, I would request all of you, probably you must have been examining the charge sheets when they are brought to you for your approval. Please ensure that there are no loopholes in the investigation, because even at that stage also you can point out to the investigating officers, look, this is the lapse. Look, this has not been done. This has not been examined. This has not been seized. And a particular, nowadays, with regard to the electronic data, electronic evidence which the prosecution mostly will be relying upon, because on account of the advent of the electronic age, most of the cases can be definitely be proved by the electronic evidence. Friends, there were some discussions in the matter of the conduct of the trials in relation to the evidence, the cases mostly based on the electronic evidence. Friends, if the investigating officer is not well equipped or do not know much of the relevant evidentiary principles relation to an electronic evidence, I'm delighted to know that there have been frequent seminars and also frequent meet with the investigating officers. That will help you, that interaction with the investigating officer will help you in properly guiding them. Wherever there is a shortfall, you can certainly guide them. And the investigation is complete in all respects, because even the oral testimonies at times that may come in the way of the establishing the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Friends, the prosecutor's role in the matter of conduct of the trial and securing the conviction. When you secure a conviction, it is a pride for the prosecutor, it is a pride for the society, it is nothing but saving the society from the harm of the offense. My dear friends, the conviction rate in the country as a whole, it is alarming, though nothing can be attributed to the prosecutors, but their role in the matter of placing the proper thing before the court is very much essential. Friends, Madam Vyjayanthi has read about certain convictions secured. I heartfully congratulate all of the prosecutors who have secured wonderful punishments, because it is at times, though we are responsible in the matter of securing conviction, at the same time, when there is no merit, if there is a false case, the prosecutor can't do anything. But according to me, in all the cases which bring the accused for trial, there will be a justification on the part of the state in initiating the criminal legal process for against those accused. Every case, according to me, friends, we should have to have a conviction mind, in the sense, when a charge sheet is laid before you for approval, if you examine the entire case, you would know. You would certainly come to a just conclusion that the charge sheet can certainly be, if properly evidence has been let in, you will secure the conviction. But in some cases where there are lapses, friends, the police may not, unintentionally they may commit some lapse. Our duty, a prosecutor's duty to the society in large, friends, we will have to point out the lapse, the irregularity. It is not to fill up the gap, but we will have to see that whatever the irregularity or the lapse in the effective conduct of the investigation, will only advise. We will not create anything, we will not supplement anything, we will only suggest to the police and secure that everything is there available, so that if the entire thing is proved in trial, the conviction will be imminent. Friends, at the same time, there are certain difficulties for the prosecutors and also for the judges. Wherever, but either the judiciary or the prosecutors, that the state's responsibility is to secure punishment, and the court has to act upon, court has to decide the case in accordance with law in a balanced fashion. Many of the accused try to, as you know, all you have been probably, you must have been a defense lawyer and now being prosecutors. What is necessary to be proved? There are certain judgments which rule the entire criminal law. There is no serious big research that is needed to be done. And wherever there is a complex issue, there are certain exceptional cases where a discussion, wherever there is a doubt, please discuss amongst certain of the public prosecutors with whom you like to discuss, and you can bring it to the notice of the Director of Prosecutions, so that an issue can be definitely be sorted out, and you will definitely succeed in all cases. The by securing conviction and sentences. Friends, I will only rate and suggest your success in securing the convictions. Wherever, if there is no merit, absolute no merit, we are helpless. But according to me, in all the cases, there will be certainly merit. What will be lacking is certain procedural lapses or certain evidences which the police may, on account of the lack of knowledge or experience, they will be doing. I would request all of you to ensure that the proper charge sheet is laid, proper witnesses are examined, proper evidence has been collected, so that, friends, you will be successful in your tenure and you are securing convictions. The society will be definitely feel the freedom of the offenses against them. With this, friends, I conclude, and I thank the Director of Prosecutions to address all of you. And since for paucity of time, I thought of sharing some judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court or our High Court, so that will be a guiding factor to you. Though you must have been guided by our Director of Prosecution, Vyjayanthi Garu. She is quite strict and she always looks for the conviction and sentence. And with her guidance, all of you must have been guided by her, and she will continue to guide all of you. And wherever you feel any sort of requirement or a necessity, you are free to put to her, and also you can also come to me for any issues concerning the discharge of your functions or any other aspect. I sincerely thank all of you and also the Director of Prosecution for inviting me to this on this event, Independence Day. I wish a very happy Independence Day, and I wish a wonderful career and in the matter of discharge of your duties. And please endure to secure more of convictions. That will help the society in general, and the state also should. Our state, you please make our state as a state in the country, that this state is securing more convictions. With this, I conclude. Thank you.
I take this opportunity, sir, with your word. Construction of prosecution houses is pending within the realm of the Honorable Chief Justice, sir, of High Court of Telangana. As you know, sir, when Sumoto taken up writ petition 309 of 2018 was pending, and for continuously it has gone, resultant of which 90 prosecutors, assistant public prosecutors have been appointed, sir. And the role played by the Honorable A.G. Garu at that time was also tremendous. You have to clap for him, because various Chief Justices have changed, and it has gone continuously for 2.5 years. It was a tough time for even the Special GP and the A.G. Garu also. But he has taken completely into his hands and has represented before the Chief Justice when Bill number 309 was going on, then the proceedings were pending. And at that time, sir, if you remember, I discussed with you also with regard to that construction of prosecution houses. Still it is lying with the Chief Justice, sir, in the High Court. Is I take this opportunity on behalf of all the prosecutors, because they are facing lot of trouble in the entire state. So many women officers you can see, sir, they don't have even minimum facilities of washrooms or the place to sit, sir. So this is very important for them. Once that is provided, sir, that self-respect will be enhanced, and they will show more interest in and commitment to the work, sir. Without providing basic facilities to them, I am not able to, sir, request or guide them properly, because I don't have a place when I visit districts, sir. So that is a very big problem, sir, for all the officers who are with lot of honor and so many imaginations. They entered, 90 people have entered the department, and once they entered the department, two prosecutors have resigned, sir, because of lack of facilities. They mentioned the same for resignation, for submitting resignation, sir. That is the plight of these officers. So if we can provide basic structures, they will show good results also. That is my assurance. please take up this to the Honorable Chief Justice, sir, and do something in this matter, sir. This is my request on behalf of all the prosecutors and Directorate of Prosecution, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, madam, for your kind words. Now, it's time for felicitation to the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function and also the guest of honor, the Honorable Director. I request the Honorable DOP Madam to felicitate the today's Chief Guest to the Learned Advocate General for the State of Telangana. I request.
Friends, with regard to the infrastructure facilities, in fact, we have discussed the Director of Prosecution, Vyjayanthi garu, also she has discussed earlier with the the Chief Justices, followed up with the government. Government has been doing, friends, but we will achieve what is necessary for the prosecution officers in the entire state. Let the all facilities be provided. We will request the courts, the Honorable Chief Justice, and also the government to properly accommodate the houses of the prosecution in the court premises itself. And there were certain issues. I hope that some of them have been resolved. And whatever it may take some time, but certainly we will achieve what is necessary and just for the prosecution officers. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your assurance, and we are as a prosecution department is look forward for your help, sir. As a chief legal advisor to the government, you can able to help the prosecution department, sir. What madam said rightly, that we always need it from the government, and you are the chief legal advisor to the government. So we look forward the help from you, sir. Thank you so much. Now it's time to, I request the Honorable DOP Madam to felicitate the today's chief guest with presenting the shalva, bouquet and the memento. I request Joint Director of Prosecution, Mr. Smt.Vyjayanthi Reddy, to come on to the dais. Thank you so much, madam, for felicitating the today's chief guest. I also thanks to Mr. Joint Director of Prosecution for the State of Telangana for felicitating the today's chief guest. Now it is time to felicitate the today's guest of honor, Smt.Vyjayanthi Madam, the Director of Prosecution for the State of Telangana. For felicitating, I request the today's chief guest, the Honorable Advocate General for the State of Telangana, to felicitate our Director. It is the generosity of the distinguished director to recognize the hard work of the prosecutors who are fighting for the cause of the victims. Appreciation is a memorable, proud, special and most awaited event for an institution. It gives a sense of happiness and sense of responsibility for fulfilling their commitment with their dedication. With these words, I request the chief guest and the guest of honor to present the certificates to the learned public prosecutor who achieved getting conviction in the fields. Now I request Kamlesh sir, and the first category and name goes to Y. Venkat Lingam. I request the Honorable DOP Madam and the Honorable Chief Guest to present a certificate to Mr. Venkat Lingam, Public Prosecutor, PDJ Court, Siddipet, for securing 10 years and the life imprisonment.